Hello students, let us try a very interesting question. In this, we are given with a triangle which is inscribed in a circle. This is the center of the circle. The sides of the triangle are 13, 14 and 15. And we need to find the radius r of this circumcircle. Okay, can you find this now? So let us start this question. First of all, from this vertex, we are going to draw a perpendicular on the base, which is dividing my base in x. Height of triangle is h. Now, the complete side is 14. So, that part is x. So, the remaining part is 14 minus x. Now, we are going to take this right triangle. This is a right triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. 13 is my hypotenuse. So, h square plus x square is equals to 13 square. Now, taking the x square to the right hand side, we are having h square will be equals to 169. That is 13 square minus x square. Now, from the second right triangle, we are having h square plus the base is 14 minus x and 15 is the hypotenuse. So, we are having h square plus 14 minus x whole square is equals to 15 square. This 15 square is equals to 225. So, now we are going to apply a minus b whole square for opening the bracket. A minus b whole square is equals to a square, that is 14 square, minus 2ab, that is 2 into 14 into x, and plus b square, that is equals to x square. Now, multiplying this, we are having h square plus 196 minus 28x plus x square. So, getting the value of h square, that is equals to 225 minus 196 plus 228x. This is coming over to be 29 plus 28x plus minus x square. Now, both the equations have same LHS, that is h square. So, equating their right hand side, we are having 169 minus x square is equals to 29 plus 28x minus x square. Now, minus x square gets cancelled out and we are left with 169 is equals to 29 plus 28x. So, I am having the value of 28x, that is equals to 140. That means my x is coming over to be 5. Right now, substituting the value of x in this equation, we are having h square will be equals to my 169 minus 5 square, that is coming over to be 169 minus 25, that is equal to 144. So, h is equals to square root of 144, that is coming over to be 12. Now, we see that this vertex, when we join the diameter from that vertex, there is a very interesting thing we are getting. What? Let us assume that this diameter is equals to 2r and join these two vertices, we will be having, when we join these two vertices, we are having an angle. Can you know what is the value of this angle? This value will be determined by Thales theorem. Thales theorem stated that when inside a semicircle, if we join any angle in a semicircle, that angle is always 90 degrees. So, this angle is 90 degree. Now, again, one more theorem, that is the inscribed angle theorem. From a particular arc, the angle formed in the opposite segments are equal. So, from this arc, we are having two angles. These two angles should be equal because they formed by same arc. Now, seeing these two triangles, these are having right angles and the two equal angles. So, they are similar by AA similarity. Now, applying the ratios of the side, 12 upon 13 hypotenuse is equals to 15 by the hypotenuse is 2r. So, calculating the value of 2r by just interchanging the terms, we are getting the r is equals to 65 by 8, that is coming over to be 8.12